Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to drop spike in Valorant. I've got so many people asking me these questions, like even my friends, my closest friends that are like always with me in Valorant, they don't really know how to drop their spike. So I'm here to actually solve this problem. Well, basically guys, let me talk to you first about the games that has spike in them. So only games that got spike, so they are unrated competitive sword play, spike rush, and escalation. If you are playing this much and you don't know how to drop spike, well, my friend, you don't really have the spike already to drop it in the first place. So ignore the death match, and now let's talk about unrated competitive sword play, spike rush, and escalation. Now let's go for a custom game real quick, and let me just go to practice and spike planting into range. So now I will show you after I go to the range, I will show you how to actually hold the spike, how to plant it, and how you can actually like uh drop it. So let me just show you real quick. Now let me just wait until it opens for me. Let's wait a little bit. Here we go. Let me just pick sujet because I like, because why not? And yeah, let's wait here. And here we go. Let me just drop down difficulty a little bit. Exit. Difficulty. Let's make it easy. Just for the sake of this video. And now I will pick this, pick that, and let's start. So yeah, let's start. Here we go. Pick this, pick that, some items, and yeah. So first of all guys, so in order to like get a spike in the first place, you only have to work on it. So as you can see here, it is here. You can just work on it or just go to it and click on F. Now if you want to drop it, you just have to hold it, which is gonna be in the fourth key in your, or the first key in your keyboard, or wherever you have to put it. So where you put it, so you just go to controls, and here go to equipment, and from here you will see equip spike. So here you will see this is the key that has been connected to equip Skype on your keyboard. So for me, I have the apostrophe. Now, in order to drop it or drop any items, just go here. So for example, where is it? Drop item. So drop the equip item, which is for me G. So if I clicked on G here, I will drop the spike. So as you can see now, if I really need to just play this real quick in order to plant it. So I will show you how to even plant the spike. Alright, here we go. Here we go, and I think that's it. So let me just drop it. So in order to actually place the spike, you just have to like go into this the planting area and then just spam the 4 key or the key where you have equip items. So here we go. I equip the spike, and now basically what I'm gonna do is just pick this real quick like that, like that, and here we go. I planted the spike and I won the game. Let's go. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.